This is the Kershaw Carabiner Tool. It has a versatile knife blade in stainless steel with partial serration. It has a flat head screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, as well as a bottle opener. This is a non-load-bearing carabiner. The handle is lightweight aluminum with durable Teflon coating. People mistake this knife for a pocket knife. It's pretty much designed to hook onto the outside of the bag. That way you don't have to dig into any of the pockets to find the knife. It's attached to the outside and available when you need it. If you do any rope work, this knife is very useful to attach to your harness. It clips to board shorts where maybe pockets are an issue. It's basically very handy to clip to you in many different types of situations, making it ideal for field work. This knife is quite durable. I used it as my primary knife when backpacking across Asia for 6 months. The weight of the knife is 2.7 ounces.